Hi, my name is Rinald Simon. My race number is URK17CS049. Now we are going to see a Java program which is based on graphical user interface using strings. Now we are going to see a sample program which is based on the topic. Here we are giving an header file. Some of the header files here import space java.awt.star, and we are giving the same thing dot event dot star. Then afterwards we are creating a class calculator which is extending frame that implements action listener, and then afterwards we are giving text field. We are declaring text field and panel here, and then we are giving a string which consists of up to the numbers 1 2 3 4 up to 1 to 9, and we are giving some of the arithmetic operations here because we are going to display the structure of the calculator here. Here we are initializing the button as 16 here, and we are initializing a b and result is equal to 0, and then we are giving character operation, and then we are creating a public calculator, and then we are giving a font in which the font is its string has Arial and the font has to be italic, and we are giving the font size here. And then we are giving text field is equal to new text field of 10, and then we are setting the font size here, and then we are giving the panel at which position the text field has to be present, and which field that numbers has to be present, that number button has to be presented been given here. And then we are giving a panel dot set layout of open bracket new grid layout 4,4, and then we are closing it, and then we are giving a for condition in which we are going to add each and every button, and then we are going to set the size of the font, and then we are going to give what is that button needs to perform, and then we are going to add that button according to that calculator's arrangement here as per the calculator arrangement. And then we are giving add window listener, and then we are giving new window adapter, and then we are giving public void window closing window event of window, and then we are giving system.exit. And then afterwards here we are giving which actions are to be performed or have been given here. If we give plus means it want to perform an addition operation. If we give minus means it want to perform subtraction. If it's star means it means multiplication. If it's divide means it's should be division. If it's equal to means it want to initialize here. Likewise we are giving for which numbers which operation has to be performed have been given here. And at the same time we are giving if string dot equals a equal to c means we want to initialize a b and result is equal to 0, or otherwise we want to set the text field here. And then we want to give public static void means string of arguments, and then we are giving calculator c of new calculator, and then we are setting the title for the calculator here, and then we are setting the size of the output here, and then we are setting c dot set visible of true. Now we are going to run the program here. So here it's displaying the structure of the calculator here. Here we are having some numbers here, and then here we are having some of the operation here. Here I am giving one value 1 plus 2 equal to, if I give equal to means it is showing that arithmetic operation here. Likewise if we give any numbers and with any operator means it will perform arithmetic operation here. Now we are going to see another one sample program which is based on the same title in which we are going to display an awareness about the energy air and water which is based on the environment awareness. We are going to create a program here. Here we are importing some of the files which is for the color, which is for dimension, graphics, action list, action listener, array list, jframe, jpanel, swing utilities, and timer we are setting here. And here we are giving a public class draw car which extends jpanel, and then we are setting the height and width of the output here. Here we are giving the list of the car in which the car how much size, how much height and how much width it want to be we are giving here. And then here we are setting a timer for which time, for how much time the car has to be moved for a certain period of time. We are starting the timer here, and then we are setting the graphics here in order to draw the car, and we are mentioning here the dimensions, dimension gets preferred size, and then we are giving a public class called car. In that we are giving we are incrementing 2 3, and afterwards we are giving int x comma y, and then we are passing an arguments in the car, and we are giving this operate this pointer here. Then afterwards we are giving the color of the car, which is to be fitted according to that size or height and width of the car. And then here we are giving the move operation in order to make the car to move on that particular place. Then afterwards we are giving the main function public static void main string of arguments. Then we want to give swing utilities dot invoke later, and then we are giving new runnable, and afterwards we are giving public void run, which is used to run the execution of the program. Then we are giving a jframe is equal to new jframe, and then we are giving we are adding the frame that new car, and then we are closing that frame here, and then we are giving the frame dot pack, and then we are setting the location at which location the car has to be moved. We are initializing first of all it as null, and then we are making the graphics so visible, and the frame dot set visible of true. So this is the end of the program. Now we are going to see here the output. Here we are seeing some environment awareness, which is for the control of the air pollution. Here we are seeing some of the cars which are moving here. So this is the output for this program. So thank you.